Welcome back to the channel. So today, I know I didn't bring you guys along with this one, but I decided without showing you guys, I rewired the pigtail for the lights on the trailer for the boat. And then I got this up here. This is just, your Amazon special air horn. We just got to wire up. There's two wires here. But there was an old air horn on this boat at one time. And of course, in typical fashion, the mounting brackets don't line up with the old mounting brackets for the old one. So we just went ahead and used some clear sealant and just sealed up the holes. And then mounting bracket there. So when that dries, we also, in typical fashion, my son, being a 6-year-old little boy, decided he wanted to break the speedometer reader for the boat. So now I gotta put that in as well. So it's just this little plastic piece here. And then you got these 3 screws here. And then I was just going to take some clear silicone and put them up there. And that's about it. So I'm going to get it going on that, and I'll bring you guys along after I get that done. Welcome back. So, like I said earlier, I'm going to go ahead and install this. Just put a little silicone around everywhere. Just make sure it holds and stays. And it doesn't leak into the back of the boat. And it probably won't, because it doesn't look like it goes into the hull too far, but rather be safe than sorry. So, put a little of this clear sealant on here. Just like that. Wipe my fingers off here. And, in typical fashion, just go ahead and just drop the screws everywhere. That's fine. Typical fashion. It's good to drop them on the floor. It's fine. And then make sure it's facing the right way, because this plugs in to the top of that, so that it gives an accurate reading to how fast you're going. And then just go ahead and line up the screws, and that RTV holds it in place a little bit, so you can get the screws on there. It's kind of snugging down. And what I like to do is make sure that, the RTV that I put on there is squeezing out, which it is. And there we go. Just like that. Easy peasy. 3 little screws. And then you just take this, plug it right up on top, and she's ready to go. So now we'll know how fast we're going out on the lake. And, yeah. Hopefully this turns into a fun adventure and not one of those 911 Mayday adventures where we just sink and then have to paddle our asses back to shore. Welcome back, guys. So, took apart the switch because I wasn't getting any continuity out of it. So I took apart the switch. It's just these little tabs up here and the whole top of it just came apart. I cleaned all the contacts up and went ahead and tested the continuity out on the switch. Whoops, the lead came undone. Tested the continuity out. As you can hear, it's working. So the switch is working just fine now. Problem is the fuse. Fuse was blown. So in true redneck shade tree fashion, I am taking a little bit of speaker wire, which is probably rated for 10 amps, which is exactly what the fuse was. And I'm just going to take and wrap the fuse link, the fuse leg on each side and create continuity. Don't ever try that at home, people, especially a boat. I may not know what I'm doing, but I'm a shade tree mechanic. So this is what's happening. So we'll be back with you once I get the horn working. Alright guys, I got an update for you guys. She worked! We got a horn for a boat! Just wrap some speaker wire around the leads of your blown fuse. And you're good to go, guys. So I'm going to get this all wrapped up, put that back up into the dash, and get her buttoned up, and we'll see you later. Well, that's it, guys. Horn is installed. The speedometer on the back is installed. The horn works. The engine is ready to go. She's ready to drop in the water. We just got to get tags for her, and that's it. So I'm excited. No doubt about it. No doubt about it.